Happy Monday, beauties and handsomes. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to do a plank. Let's get to it. So a plank is fairly simple yet challenging. And once you do a plank, you will understand what I mean by that. So what you'll want to do is make sure that your shoulder and your wrist are in line on both sides. And you want to curl those toes under and come up off of those knees. And just sit here. So you want to create a straight line from the crown of your head to the heels of your feet. Making sure that you're pushing away from your palms so that you're sitting tall within those shoulders and that your shoulders are not collapsing into your arms. Keeping it tall, but keeping the butt down. So you don't want to hear. Or dropping it low here. Creating that straight line. As if you were to sit a glass of water on your back. If that is too much, you can always take it down to your knees. Again, still the same thing. You're pushing away from those palms, keeping everything in line, and you're still getting a good work in those arms, the core, the shoulders, just that entire upper body, without all the added pressure. Because once you come up off of your knees, you pretty much have your body weight in your hands. So start where you feel comfortable, but like I said, you still get a challenge. Once you're able to do about a minute plank on your knees, if that's where you start, it's time to move on up. Keep creating that challenge for yourself. Do not be afraid to push yourself harder, because you really don't know what you're capable of until you try. So again, you can start on your knees or in a regular plank position. If you need to take it down even further, let's say you've never done a plank before or you haven't worked out before, that's perfectly fine. You can take it to the wall and you still want to push away from those palms so that you're keeping tall in your arms, keeping those shoulders up. And that's it. It's simple yet effective. Do not sleep on a plank, okay? If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions about this exercise or references for future videos. And subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to say this after every video because my channel is popping and you need to be tuned in.